Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I added 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, active dry yeast, and a tablespoon of sugar. So I just mixed it up and added half cup of water, and I went ahead to add a little bit extra water, about 2 tablespoons extra, to form a dough, and just like making bread actually. So I'm about to make flat bread. Here I mixed it very well, added a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and when it was well mixed, I just let it rest in this bowl for about an hour. And after 1 hour, this is what we have. So I just deflated it to release the air bubbles, divide it into portions, and I'm just trying to roll them out and set aside. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos, and if you're new here, please click the red subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you. So let's continue. Roll them up and set aside. And now dust your work surface with a little bit of flour and stretch out the dough. Stretch it out to ensure it's very flat and in a circular form, or as best as you can. So you just stretch it out and you're ready to cook it. So place it on your dry pan and let the fire be very low, like medium high. So you just ensure that it's well done, then flip it over and let the other side cook as well. So you place it and immediately you cover with a table towel so that it won't dry out. And then I'm here mixing mayonnaise and ketchup together. I decided to add dried chili pepper. Then this is sardine. I'm adding into cabbage and carrots that I sliced. Just mix it up, and I also mix this with bama. So this is carrots, cabbage, bama, and that is mayonnaise, and the sardine. So I'll just rub it on the bread, fill it up with my coleslaw mixture, and you have yourself a lovely breakfast, snack, brunch, dinner, whatever you want to call this, and enjoy. Yes. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.